good day to you. My name is Christine Mavis and I'm a certified traditional naturopath. And if you're so inclined, you may like and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the thumbs up button below the video and by clicking on the subscribe button. And you may also feel free to comment down below as well. So today what I want to show you is how to use a diffuser. Diffusers are wonderful things to use instead of some of the chemicalized air fresheners out there. There are a lot of fun essential oils you can use in them. You can buy everything from some citrus smells like orange and lemon to some of the floral smells such as lavender and many other things, some of the barky smells. Over the holidays you can even use some of the fir needles and the pine essential oils to give a lovely aroma in your house in a very natural and more healthy way. And so today I'm going to show you how to use a diffuser. I have a diffuser here. It's by a company called Now, and it's plugged in. They're electric, and this is what we're going to use to diffuse our essential oil today. And I have several different essential oils. Some of these are from Mountain Rose Herbs, some of these are from Eden's Garden and or acacia oils, and there are many great companies out there such as Young Living and doTERRA and otherwise. And so I'm just going to give you an example today. I think I'm going to select a really lovely smell of the lemongrass plant in this essential oil. And so what I do is I get my essential oil ready and I pour about 6 ounces of water into a container. And then I take my essential oil and put a few drops in there, maybe like 4 or 5 drops. And then I mix that up. Then I take the lid off the diffuser. Then after I've taken the lid off that diffuser, I grab the essential oils in the water and I pour some of that into the base of the diffuser in the little area that is made for holding the fluid. Then I take the lid and put it back on. And then I just push the button here. The button's red right now. I can try to show you this. It's sort of a red color right now because the electricity is flowing, but it's not yet diffusing. So then I just push the button here. And then you can see how the diffuser is bringing the water with the essential oil out into the air. And that's just fantastic. And there's just a lot of really fun things you can do with this. There's like I said, a lot of different essential oils that you can use to put in these diffusers, and that's just really fun to make a lovely scent in your home. Maybe you're trying to sell your house. What a lovely thing, people to come in and smell some nice air, or it's a holiday of some kind. You can use all these different ones. And then there are also some that are kind of considered more medicinal. Some of the eucalyptus is a lovely aroma, but it's also great to breathe for people who have maybe a little cold or sniffle. Then there's another one I have here by Eden's Garden. It's called Sniffles and Sneezes. This is kind of useful for that scenario. One that I've really used and have enjoyed and our family thinks has made a difference for us is an essential oil from Eden's Garden called the Fighting Five. And also Young Living has one called Thieves, and doTERRA has one called On Guard, and they all kind of have this thought behind them that they can help to dispel some of the infectious organisms floating around out there. And I do think there has been a little bit of research done on some of them. But at any rate, if someone seems to have like a cough or a sniffle or a little sore throat, we just throw some Fighting Five in our water, put it in our diffuser, and use it for a few days. We seem to not be sick so long, and it seems to prevent some of us from catching a cold or so forth from another family member. So this is just sort of a tutorial to show you how to use a diffuser in case you've been looking at them and a bit curious. They're really fun to have around. And this one's from Now, and there are other companies that make some pretty great diffusers too. There are some larger and smaller than this one. And so that's how we do it. And so have a very great day and enjoy diffusing your essential oils.